Palang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian D. Mendoza at ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, September 17, 2025. Ngayong araw po ay ating tutuloy ang ating series which is a seminary edition. Specifically, ang topic po natin for this day is about sovereignty. Bakit hinayaan ni Lord na patayin si Charlie Kirk? Now, para po sa araw na to, ang talata po natin ay magagamit sa Psalm chapter 115 verse 3. Sabi po rito, basahin ko po. Our God is in heaven. He does whatever pleases Him. Now, upang ating mas maunawaan kung anong ibig sabihin ng talatang ito, at upang mas maintindihan natin ang ating devotion, ngayon po tayo pwede ako sa ating teaching for today. So kapag sinabi po natin sovereign will of God, pinag-usapan po natin dito ay napakalaki and it covers everything and whatsoever comes to pass. Let's always remember na nothing is outside of His reach, not even those things na hindi natin napapansin or something random or chaotic to us. And also yung sovereignty ng Diyos. It even controls evil and misfortune. But that doesn't mean that God delights in evil. But ibig sabihin po nito, He never loses control. Ang Diyos ang laging may control. And He can even use those dark times to para ma-accomplish niya yung greater purpose. And also, yung sovereignty ng Diyos, it provides comfort. It provides comforts to believers in times of suffering. So kapag yung buhay natin puno ng challenges, when it's full of pain, hurts, knowing that God is still on the throne, kahit na ganun yung sitwasyon natin, it helps us to rest. It helps us to have assurance because nothing can slip through His hands without His permission. So ngayon po tayo patidako sa ating application. So ano nga ba yung mga dapat natin gawin or apply sa ating buhay? So una po, because we know that God is in control, is in full control, we can find comfort on God's sovereignty. So instead na makonsume tayo ng worry, ng takot, instead let's remind ourselves that our life is under God's careful watch. Also, let's feast in the presence of your enemies. So meaning po nito, we can live with peace and confidence kahit na nasusurround tayo ng mga people that against our opinion or when we are surrounded by opposition. Kasi ang Diyos, He is the protector, He is the provider of all. And lastly po, fall in love with His biblical doctrine. So you don't see God's sovereignty as distant. Rather see it as the most beautiful assurance that your life is guided by the wisest and most loving hand. So naway marami po tayong natutunan sa araw na ito.